My name is Leo. His name is Jay. And where are we going? We're going to Chef Bing Pizzeria. This is the restaurant right here. Take this seriously so we can go to other places. Okay, now we're gonna go in. My mom already ordered 4 kinds of pizza. Let's eat the pizza. This is Chef Maleta. Okay, we got the pizza. Very hot. That's actually very good. Very hot, very good. I know. Who's the daddy? Who's the daddy? Take this. Very good. Put it close to the mic. The mic's on your neck. This is the cheese pizza, half cheese pizza and half pepperoni pizza. He's still eating the pizza. Very good. ยังไม่ชิมเลย There was too much pepperoni. It'll be spicy. If it's spicy, then you'll burn your mouth. This is very good. But for some reason, I still taste the crust, which is this. I'm gonna leave my pizza there. I'm gonna eat my cheese. When do you start working?
8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh. Which day had the most customers?
Which day has the most customers? I'd say Saturday and Sunday are our busiest days.
What's the first step?
The first step is making the dough.
Oh. And then you put tomato sauce on it.
Yeah.
How do you make the dough bigger? Like a faster way?
You just gotta practice. It's practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the faster you'll get.
Do you make the pizza 4 minutes on top and 4 minutes on bottom?
So yes, pretty much. There's a couple levels in the oven, so I put it 4 minutes on the top, 4 minutes on the bottom. A lot of things come into play. See, I'm having a hard time opening this dough because the temperature of the dough isn't ready. But we have to make it work.
Okay, so now we're gonna talk about which one we like. Okay, so this part is, it's this one or that one. I think this one's too spicy. And the cheese I tried many times, but this one is a little... It tastes like crust. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna have to go with pepperoni. We didn't finish all the pizza, but we're done with this store. And the restaurant is called Chef Bing Pizzeria. And my favorite was the pepperoni. Yeah. The next episode. Stop. The next episode we're going to escape room in. Oh, we need to focus, dude. See you on the next episode. Bye.